Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete your PhonePe account permanently in just a few simple steps. If you've decided to stop using the app or switch to another payment platform, this guide will walk you through the process clearly and safely. Make sure to watch till the end and please subscribe for more easy app tutorials like this one. Let's get started. First, open the PhonePe app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account using your registered phone number. Next, tap on the account symbol at the top of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. From there, select your bank account that's linked to PhonePe. Now scroll down and tap on Unlink Bank Account. This will disconnect your bank account from the app, which is necessary before deletion. Once that's done, tap on the Help button in the top right corner of the screen. It looks like a small question mark icon. Inside the Help menu, tap on Personal Details. Under this section, look for and select Deactivating my PhonePe account. Now, tap on Delete my PhonePe account. You'll see a few confirmation prompts. Follow them carefully. Then, select any relevant option from the list provided to explain why you want to delete your account. Finally, tap Deactivate PhonePe account. Your request will be submitted, and PhonePe will process the deactivation shortly. And that's it. You've successfully requested to delete your PhonePe account. Keep in mind, once deleted, all your data and transaction history will be permanently erased. So make sure you've completed or saved anything important before proceeding. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and please subscribe to the channel for more simple how-to guides and app tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.